Hi, this is Gina, and this is part 2 of my video from last week. I shared how I made envelopes with a 12 by 12 scrapbook paper into 2 envelopes. My goal was not to have a lot of extra scrapbook paper. This video is to share the remaining card inserts, which are great for sending little notes to family and friends. But before I get started, I am going to share some ATC cards that I received from Celeste with the Crafter Story. I've mentioned her several times because I'm a huge fan of her channel. She is so creative, and as you can see, she's an artist. I bought a journal from her. My sister won one of her giveaways, which I still have in my house, and I don't know if my sister are going to get them. But either way, I want to share these cards to show what I mean about how she is an artist. Look at how beautiful this is. And then in the back, there's places for me to journal the memory. These are, to me, priceless. I love them. If you go to her channel, which I'll link below, you're not going to be surprised with all her amazing creations. She's always creating something different. Aren't those just beautiful? So thank you so much, Celeste, for sending these to me. I'm so excited. So now I'm going to go ahead and share some of the one card inserts that I made for these envelopes. And 2 of them are actually shakers. I'll let you know a little bit about what motivated me to make shakers. I'm going to go ahead and set this to music, and I will fast forward. So please watch all the way to the end. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Oh, let me show you something on the stamps. I like to put different stamp. I just don't buy plain stamps. But I asked the postman, as long as it's just a single card on one stamp will work. I usually put 2 just in case it doesn't come back postage shorted. But he measured it and he said, yeah, 1 stamp would work. So anyway, thank you again for stopping by. I greatly appreciate that you watched this all the way through. I hope this inspired you to make some envelopes, especially with that extra scrapbook paper you're not sure what to do with. And as always, all my subscribers, you mean the world to me. And if you're not a subscriber, I invite you to join my channel. I am having a new collab called Tin Can Designs, and that's going to be on the 15th of every month. And my video will be below. In fact, I'll link my video below so you don't have to search for it. And then every Friday, I like to have a new video of something I've created. So thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day and, of course, a lovely weekend.